Hi guys, I am back. I decided to make a little update video on where I've been and kind of continue making videos this year. I know I've been gone for about 6 months, I think, and the reasons for that is just because my life has been like crazy. Me and Zach have been doing a bunch of things, like a lot of major life things in a span of 6 months, so it was really crazy. So I will just fill you in on everything that has been happening with me. So first of all, end of August, we bought this house. So as you can see, this is a whole new room. This is our spare room. This is still a mess. As you can see, this isn't even hung. The door back there isn't even on its little roller thing because we realized that it was weird. Like when we got the house, the closet doors weren't even in, and then we don't know where the roller thing is. Like doors are downstairs, but we don't know where like the track is. So that's why the door is like that. So yeah, in this blue, I hate this blue, so I want to paint it. So it's just like a lot of things. This house was move-in ready, but it was move-in ready, so we're able to like completely live in it. Nothing had to be like redone or anything like that, so that was completely awesome, but it does need like updating here and there. So that is that. So I think as I go forward and we update things, I think I'll be vlogging that and whatnot too. So yeah, so we moved from our duplex and we moved here at the end of August. So I know you guys were seeing in my vlogs that we were house hunting, and oh my god, that was such a process. But we finally found this house and we're moved in and here we are. So that was the end of August, and then as you guys know, I was planning my wedding. So then end of September we got married. And that was crazy a little bit up until the month before, so that's kind of where I was busy, and I was planning on kind of vlogging and making update videos about the planning of my wedding and DIY stuff that I was doing, but it got a little crazy and it just seemed more of like a hassle to film it than anything, so I just decided not to. So that's where that was. But if you guys want any more information about my wedding, just let me know. Like I did a lot of DIY stuff. I can go more into detail. Like I designed my own invitations just to save some money. What else did I do? I did my own place cards. I did my own programs. I did basically all the decor, except for we did hire a florist, but most of the decor was me. I kind of had a certain vision for what I wanted, and so it all turned out how I wanted it to be. It was a beautiful day. There are some things that I did regret that I wish I would have done a little bit differently. Just to mention a few, like I wish I had a hairbrush with me at the reception after walking in and stuff, because like I had hair extensions in and like they were like sticking together, so I just wish that like I had that, and then my dress didn't fit exactly how I wanted it to. So there's just like a kind of a little bit of things. So if you guys have any questions about my wedding, you can leave them down below, or I can just make a video explaining all about it if you guys are interested in that. So that happened in September, and then we went to Santorini for our honeymoon. So in the beginning of October, then we went to Santorini and we were there for a week. We rented a home on the side of the volcano and it was absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh, it was so wonderful. It was so relaxing. We didn't do much when we were in Santorini. We explored our side, which we kind of stayed outside of Ia, and we kind of explored there. We went to some wineries, we swam in the sea, but we kind of just kept it chill, and that's just kind of what me and Zach like to do. We don't really like to do a lot of things. We're kind of boring, so we like to stay at home and just be with each other and eat food. That's basically what we like to do. So that's kind of what that vacation consisted of, our honeymoon consisted of, and it was so beautiful. And yes, so I think in my vlog that'll go up after this, I included some clips from there so you guys can see that. It was amazing. Yeah, we flew business class going there, so in order to fly business class going there, we opened up these credit cards for United and like started spending all this money. Like my mom took my credit card and like spent money on it too so we could get all these points. And so then we were able to fly business class there for free, which was like absolutely amazing. I like started doing that. I don't even know. I started collecting points probably like as soon as I got engaged, to be honest with you. Like that's how long it probably took. So like a year and a half, like just like collecting points. And so if you're planning, I highly suggest that. Like it helps tremendously. So open up credit cards with flying points if you like to travel or you have a big trip coming up, because it helps like so much. So, in flying business class, like, oh my god, like, I understand why people fly business class going international, because that was crazy. Like, we flew Turkish Airlines going there, and it was like, oh my god, like, we had like a 7-course meal on the airplane. It was crazy. And then after we got back, then it was kind of just like unpacking and getting organized from the wedding, because like after the wedding you just get so much stuff. Like, you have, well, the wedding was mainly cards, but like all the decor and everything that comes back to you, like, it's just like a lot of stuff. So we had to like organize all that. It's still not organized, and we still need to organize that. So that's that. And then I had Thanksgiving here at my house. So I hosted it because, I don't know, we had a new house and I like to cook. So I decided to host Thanksgiving. And so that took up a lot of my time. And then Christmas came, put up Christmas decorations, and we just took them down. And then, and then next weekend we're going to Colorado to celebrate kind of Christmas with my family, because actual Christmas we went to Omaha to celebrate with Zach's family. So it's just been a lot. Oh, I forgot to mention, we got a puppy too. So I did film when we did lose Lexi. She was the dog that we had before, and you saw her in our vlogs. And so I did vlog about her passing away and stuff like that. But we found out that her puppy had puppies. So we have one of Lexi's grand puppies, and like when we found out that, like, we were so attached to Lexi, we loved her so much. Like, it was really hard for us because like it was our first dog that me and Zach got together, and like she was just like our child. I don't know if you guys have a dog, and you know, like, you're so attached to that dog. And so when we found out that her puppy had puppies, we were just like, okay, done deal, like, we need to get one of those puppies. So we picked her out, we went to where the breeder was, and we picked Rosie out, and then she held Rosie there until we got back from our honeymoon. And so then when we got back, Zach's parents came, the breeder's in Omaha, so Zach's parents came and brought Rosie here, and so now we have Rosie, and Rosie is a handful. She's 7 months now, and if you go back to my vlogs, I include her in there. I can include like a picture of her here. She just got groomed, so she looks like completely different, but she is a handful, and I don't have patience, really. Zach has more patience than me. I just don't. And yeah, we also got a puppy, and that has taken up a lot of time too. And then I work full time, so that's why it's just been kind of difficult to film videos. And to be honest with you, I'm like kind of I'm also been in a funk, because like I love beauty and I love makeup and everything like that, but it's expensive to like keep up with makeup and stuff like that. Like, it's expensive. And when I lived in Iowa and I was filming constantly, I spent a lot of money on makeup, and makeup that I currently don't even use. And so it was a lot, and I just don't want to do that anymore. I'm actually like thinking about getting rid of a bunch of the stuff that I have that I just don't use. And so yeah, it's just expensive, and you know, makeup is expensive. Like, makeup's not cheap, and to keep up with, like, I don't get PR packages or anything, like the new stuff coming in, like, this isn't my job, so it's just difficult. So I think I'm just gonna include more videos this year about just like my life and updating this home and vlogging and makeup things here and there. That's about it. I'm just gonna keep it kind of chill and real, and yeah, because it's kind of the videos that I like to make. So that was it, you guys. That's just where I've been. I just wanted to update you guys on it. I know this was kind of boring, just like a sit down video, but if you guys were wondering where I was, that's where I've been. So yeah, I hope you guys are excited for me to make more videos again. I don't know, I like toy back and forth. Like, I love cooking, so I kind of want to include cooking on my channel. I did purchase a domain, so I was thinking about starting a food blog. Maybe I'll include that in my next videos if that's something that you guys are interested in. I was thinking about starting a new YouTube channel, but I don't know. It's like difficult. I don't know. Like, I love my following that I've created here. It's not the biggest following, but I've created it here, and I like my channel and stuff like that. I don't know. It's like difficult. It's difficult when you're working in a career that you aren't passionate about. I'm just not really passionate about what I do. I'm an internet marketing specialist right now, and I'm just not passionate about it. So it's difficult, and I'm sure some of you guys can relate to me, and I'm 27 right now, and I just really don't know what I want to do. I never really have known what I want to do, and so I've just I'm sure you guys can relate. It's difficult. And I think I get bored easily, and so I move from one thing to the next. And I don't know, not filming for the past 6 months just felt right. I don't know, I just didn't feel like it, so I just didn't do it. But now I'm feeling like I should and continue on my YouTube journey, I think. We'll see. I don't know. Maybe I'll start vlogging on my food blog, and I'll just love that. I don't know. But we'll see. But that was it, you guys. That's all I have to say. Just watch for more videos from me coming up. I think I'm going to have a vlog going up this week. So that's really exciting. So yeah, thank you guys for sticking with me. And like always, subscribe if you haven't already. That would be awesome. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.